So in this video, you'll learn how to install and set up WhatsApp on your Samsung Galaxy A16. So the first step is to launch the Google Play Store. And then from here, you want to use the search function and you want to type in WhatsApp. You should see it listed in the search results. So just tap on it and then just tap on install to download it onto your phone. If you've chosen to use a different variation of WhatsApp, such as WhatsApp Business, again, just search for WhatsApp Business and install it onto your phone. But just wait patiently. And once the installation is complete, you'll need to launch the app. So you can tap on open, or you can just go back to your home screen and launch WhatsApp from there. Either way, once you've successfully launched WhatsApp, you'll need to start setting it up. So to do that, start by selecting the language that you're going to be using in WhatsApp in. So it's set to your device's system language. However, if you want to change it up, you can always just scroll through the language list and select language. Once you've done that, tap on the arrow button to go to the next step. From here, you need to agree to the privacy policy as well as terms of service. If you want to read through them, just tap on the links, but otherwise you just tap on agree and continue. Next, you'll need to give WhatsApp necessary permissions, such as access to your notifications, so tap on allow. And then you need to enter in your phone number. And then once you've typed in the number, tap on next. And then you need to verify your number. So ensure that you have that exact same SIM card that belongs to the number inserted so that the number can be verified easily. And sometimes you'll even get the prompt to get a verification call or message, and then you'll just input the code that you receive from that message. So just go through all those verification steps, and once you've done that, you'll then be brought to this page. So it will ask you for access to contacts and media, so tap on continue, and then you just want to give the necessary permissions on your device. Once you've done that, if you have any backups available, you can always just add the backups, or you can just choose to skip and then type in your profile info. So you can choose to add a profile image, and you can also give your profile a name. Once you've done that, tap on next, and you can choose to add an email to your account, or you can just choose to skip. And now WhatsApp has been installed and set up successfully. So now you can start using WhatsApp on your Galaxy A16. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.